Hi, today we'll draw a rainy scene and we'll learn the resist technique in art. So let's start. First, make rain droplets with white crayon like this. You may first draw it with a pencil if needed, and on top you may use white crayon. Also, draw the ripple lines at the bottom. Now make a rainbow at the side. Do you remember the colors of the rainbow? Yes, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. After that, paint yellow at the top for the sky with watercolors. And blue at the bottom. Can you see the droplets clearly? Yes, the watercolor paint didn't stay on the crayons. This is the resist effect. Make it beautifully. You can use this technique in making paintings, cards, bookmarks, book covers, anywhere. Have fun!